What if I told you you don't need a high income to save money? In fact, some people earning very little still manage to save every single month, while others earning 5 times more end up with nothing. Sounds strange, right? But here's the truth. Saving money is not about how much you earn. It's about how you manage what you already have. Most people think, I'll start saving when I earn more, but that day never comes. Because when income increases, expenses also increase. So in this video, I'll show you how to save money step by step, even if your income is low. These are simple, practical strategies that actually work in real life. And if you follow them consistently, your savings will start growing faster than you think. Let's begin. Change your mindset about saving. Before we talk about numbers, rules, or strategies, we need to fix something more important: your mindset. Most people see saving money as a restriction. They think, I can't enjoy life if I save money. But saving is not about cutting your happiness. It's about creating freedom. Think about this. If you have savings, you don't panic during emergencies. You don't depend on others. You don't feel stuck in a job you hate. Saving money gives you control over your life. So instead of thinking, I have to save money, start thinking, I choose to save money for my future. This small shift changes everything. Start small, but start now. One of the biggest mistakes people make is waiting. They think saving only works if they can save a big amount. That's not true. Saving works because of consistency, not size. Even if you can only save a small amount, start. Let's say you save just $2 a day. That's $60 a month, $720 a year. Now imagine doing that for 5 years. That's real money. And more importantly, you build the habit of saving. Because once the habit is strong, increasing the amount becomes easy. But if the habit is missing, even a high income won't help. So don't wait. Start with whatever you have. 3. Use the pay yourself first rule. If you wait until the end of the month to save money, you'll never save. Because expenses will always find a way to use your money. That's why one of the most powerful rules is pay yourself first. The moment you receive your income, immediately set aside a portion for savings. Even 10% is a great start. Treat your savings like a bill, not flexible, non-negotiable. When you do this, something interesting happens. You automatically adjust your lifestyle to the remaining money, and without realizing it, saving becomes automatic. 4. Track every expense. This will shock you. If you don't know where your money is going, you can't control it. Most people underestimate how much they spend. That's why tracking your expenses is a game changer. For the next 30 days, write down everything you spend. Every coffee, every snack, every online order, everything. At the end of the month, review it. You'll notice patterns. You'll find unnecessary expenses, and you'll realize how small amounts add up. This awareness alone can increase your savings without increasing your income. Cut small, useless expenses. Saving money doesn't always require big sacrifices. Sometimes, small changes make a big difference. Think about daily habits. Ordering food too often. Multiple subscriptions you don't use. Impulse shopping. Daily small spending. Individually, these feel harmless, but together, they drain your money. If you cut even a few of these, you can easily save a significant amount every month. And the best part? You won't even feel a big difference in your lifestyle. 6. Create a simple budget. A budget is not a restriction. It's a plan for your money. Without a plan, money disappears. With a plan, money grows. A simple way to start is divide your income into needs, wants, savings. You don't need complicated apps. Even a simple notebook works. The goal is clarity. When you know how much you can spend, you stop overspending. And when you stop overspending, saving becomes easier. Build an emergency fund. One of the biggest reasons people lose their savings is unexpected expenses. Medical emergencies, job loss, repairs. Without a backup, you either use your savings or take loans. That's why an emergency fund is essential. Start building a fund that covers at least 3 to 6 months of your expenses. It may take time, but once you have it, your financial stress drops instantly, because now you're prepared. Avoid lifestyle inflation. This is where most people fail. When income increases, lifestyle increases. Better phone, better clothes, more spending, and suddenly savings stay the same. This is called lifestyle inflation. If you want to grow financially, you must control this. When your income increases, increase your savings first, then upgrade your lifestyle. Not the other way around. Use smart saving techniques. Saving money can be made easier with small tricks. For example, use separate accounts for savings. Automate your savings. Avoid carrying too much cash. Delay purchases by 24 hours. These simple techniques reduce impulsive spending and make saving almost effortless. Turn saving into a habit. At the end of the day, saving is not a one-time action. It's a habit. You don't become financially strong by saving once. You become strong by saving consistently. Every month, every year, no matter what. And once saving becomes a habit, your life changes. You feel secure. You feel confident. You feel in control. Conclusion: let's keep it simple. You don't need a high income to start saving. The right mindset, small, consistent actions, and discipline. If you start today, even with a small amount, your future self will thank you. Because one day, those small savings will turn into something big, and you'll realize saving money was never about sacrifice. It was about building a better life. Final line: don't wait to earn more. Start saving with what you have, because the best time to take control of your money is now.